Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Oliver Rennick here to take you through today's market action. Let's take a look at how things finished. It was a big week for gold. Bitcoin too. Both reached new all-time highs. Stocks, on the other hand, had a little bit of a tougher go. The NASDAQ 100 fell the most, just over 1.5% though. S&P and Dow Jones also down. The Russell eked out a small gain, the only index to do so, up 0.3%, and couldn't quite hold on above 2,100. Let's take a look at some of the leading and lagging sectors on the week. 9 of 11 S&P sectors were actually up. To the upside, utilities led the way, gained more than 3%, followed by materials and real estate. And to the downside, consumer discretionary fell the most, down over 2.5% on the week. No help from Costco. Let's take a look at some stocks. EVs were in the spotlight. The week started with Tesla dropping following reports of weakening demand in China, then had to halt production at its Berlin factory after a suspected arson attack. Stock was down more than 13% on the week. Meanwhile, Rivian saw gains after launching a cheaper R2. The EV company saw a surge in reservations, reported 68,000 reservations in less than 24 hours. Now let's just see if they can make some money off it. Weight loss drugs were back in the spotlight. Novo Nordisk also saw gains this week, hitting a new all-time high Thursday after sharing upbeat trial results of a new weight loss drug. That's 2 in their portfolio. Pharma companies Novo and Eli Lilly have seen huge success with the weight loss drug, so much so that we heard from Novo Nordisk they're having trouble keeping up with demand. E.V.s was up more than 7% on the week. Finally, we did have some earnings, particularly from grocers. Target, Kroger, and Costco all reported earnings. Target and Kroger were the winners. Target rallied after an earnings beat and the announcement of a new membership program, while Kroger hit a new 52-week high after issuing upbeat guidance. Costco was the loser, slipping after posting revenue that missed expectations. Let's get ready for next week. It's going to be busy again for data. On Tuesday, we've got CPI. That's the highlight, no question about it. Thursday, jobless claims, PPI, and then retail sales have been able to move the market lately, so watch that too. We'll close out the week Friday with consumer sentiment, industrial production, and the Empire State Manufacturing Index. It will be busy for the economy, and a few earnings too that are worth noting. On Tuesday, we've got On Holdings and Kohl's. Wednesday, we'll hear from Dollar Tree and Lennar. Then on Thursday, we've got Dollar General, Dick's Sporting Goods, Adobe, and Ulta Beauty, mostly retail. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Oliver Rennick. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.